Well, I'm the eyes. I am the record of the arguments and opinions coming down from the court. I'm Arthur E. Lien, and I'm a courtroom artist covering the Supreme Court for NBC and now SCOTUS blog. I really got my start in the courtroom sketching in Baltimore. Maryland's governor was going on trial. I had just graduated from art school, and they were looking for somebody to cover that trial. I think I first came to the Supreme Court in '78, working for CBS, freelancing. I have two goals. One is the setting, and every time I go to court, you need that one wide shot, which is very time consuming. It's just to show where people are sitting and what the courtroom looks like. And then from there, you go to individuals in the courtroom, a lawyer and a witness, or at the Supreme Court, the justices, and you need to try and capture the body language and their expression. So you need to capture the action as quickly as you can, especially in a short hearing where you don't have any material built up. The moment changes very often. You start something and, maybe the witness is on the stand and all of a sudden they pull something out. So you need to remain flexible until you see that moment where you know that's the story. Today, I've changed my approach. Now I'm working more of a sketch mode where I'm, as much as possible, doing everything at that time in the courtroom. I started out in an opaque watercolor called gouache. I did that for a few years. Then I went to pastels. I've done colored pencils, and then I've mixed colored pencils with markers. Recently, I've tried to simplify things. I'm always trying to get my paper size and everything smaller and simpler. So now it's just simply a graphite pencil and a little box of watercolors. If it gets boring, it's my fault because there's always something new to see. I love that I have a front seat to history, that it's never dull. The deadline is so tight. It's exhausting, but you really don't have time to think until the day's over. It's been a wonderful career, and for a long time it was just simply a job, and now I feel like I'm finally coming up to speed. It's really become a lot of fun.